Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a glass effect in Figma. First, start by creating a shape, like a rectangle, that will serve as your glass element. Next, ensure your background has some visual elements or colors for the blur to interact with. This effect relies on seeing through to what's behind it, so a plain background won't showcase it effectively. We'll then dive into applying the blur and other essential properties. Now let's apply the magic. Select your shape and set its fill to a light color like white with an opacity of about 10% to 20%. This provides the base for our glass. Then, add a background blur effect from the effects panel. A blur value between 20 and 30 pixels usually works well, but feel free to experiment. This blurs the content asterisk behind asterisk your shape, creating that frosted glass look. To enhance the realism, let's add some depth. Apply a subtle inner shadow to simulate light catching the edges of the glass. Use a light color, perhaps white, with a small blur and offset. Then, add a drop shadow to give the glass element a slight lift from the background. A soft, diffused shadow with a small Y offset works best. These details make the glass feel more tangible and integrated into your design. Finally, for a polished look, always check the contrast. Make sure your text or icons on the glass are legible against the blurred background. Grouping your glass elements can also streamline your workflow, especially for complex designs. Remember, less is often more with this effect. For more design tips and other great deals, check the description below, including a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for a smarter clean. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.